Click the Application and Registration button in the lower right. Enter your name and phone number. Select the server you need. Among them, you can choose Hanhong server and private servers. Hanhong server is built by Guangdong Hanhong Medical Technology Co., Ltd. for users who have purchased Hanhong electronic stethoscopes, built to ensure the smooth operation of the stethoscope teaching app. Network cloud server. Individual users can choose Hanhong server. The private server is for medical institutions. If you haven't used Hanhong electronic stethoscope built by internal employees, during the smooth use of the stethoscope teaching app, the corresponding data generated will only be used within the unit's medical institution. You can choose a private server to get the verification code. Complete the verification. Enter the verification code you received and enter the password you want to set to complete registration. You can also choose to register with an email address. The operation steps are the same. How to connect the stethoscope to the app? Log into the app. You need to log in with your registered phone number or email. Check the bottom privacy agreement. Enter the password for security verification. Press the switch. Turn on the power. The Bluetooth light is flashing. Open your phone. The Bluetooth switch is green. Open the app interface. Click the Bluetooth icon in the upper right corner. Click Search and Connect. Click on the device model that appears. Wait a moment and it will be connected successfully. How to automatically connect? The automatic connection of stethoscope is off by default. When it is enabled, just turn the switch to the right. The switch is orange. After turning on the automatic connection function, the app will automatically connect to Hanhong stethoscope. If there are multiple stethoscopes, the app will automatically connect the stethoscope you've connected recently. If it's newly enabled, it will automatically connect to the stethoscope with the strongest signal. How to scan code to connect stethoscope? Click Scan Code Connection on the connection page. Then point the phone's camera. Aim the camera at the Bluetooth connection code. That's it. If it still can't be connected, please contact our customer service in shutdown state. Press the power button briefly to turn on. The default new sound mode has an orange light on. In the on state, long press the power button for 3 seconds to turn off. All indicator lights are off. How to turn on Bluetooth? When the device is turned on, long press the volume up button for 3 seconds to turn on. The Bluetooth indicator flashes. After the Bluetooth connection device is connected, and the blue indicator light is always on. The indicator light of the fly-in sound mode is blue. The indicator light of full-frequency sound mode is green. The function indicator light of the new sound mode is orange. Open the app, click Personal Center Device Management Stethoscope, and set the recording settings. You can set the duration of consultation recording and teaching recording. In addition to this method, you can also directly click the Bluetooth logo in the upper right corner of the app. Click Stethoscope Settings and Recording Settings to adjust the recording time. Enter the recording function. Click the Quick Recording button to enter the recording control page. At this time, when you are conducting a stethoscope examination, press the recording control key once to start recording. When you need to select the recording type, you can click the function key on the stethoscope. You can switch to the listening part sound. We suggest that after entering the recording control page, click the lock screen button in the lower right corner. To prevent accidental exit and interrupt your recording, swipe the module to unlock it. How to establish the audio source information of quick recording? Click Personal Information Audio Library. To view the recorded quick recording information, select the audio you need to operate. Click on the audio source information in the lower left. Just fill in the information truthfully. After connecting the stethoscope, click Standard Recording. Select the sound of the part you need to diagnose, such as long sounds. Several recording options for different parts will appear. Collect long sounds one by one according to the diagram. The recording time is initially 15 seconds, up to 1 hour. Complete the recording in order. Or, if you need to end the standard recording in advance, you can click the Finish Acquisition button at any time to end your current recording. How to establish audio source information? After recording the audio, click the Finish Recording button below. Fill in the information according to your personal information. Click OK. Then click the Personal Center below. Select the audio library. To view the audio files you have recorded before, click the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the audio. You can also choose to upload to the cloud and other operations. You need to in the audio. Use your finger to drag the pathological sound interval. Then click the annotation button in the upper right corner. Select and click the corresponding label in the label. If there is no desired label, you can click Customize to add your own labels. After marking, you need to click OK to save it. The system will display the marked content. Display the content of your annotation. If you force quit, the system will not save the annotation information. Demonstrate the remote help function. Click the remote assistance category below the app. Click Create Consultation in the upper right corner. Enter the title, start time, and the duration of the consultation, and then click Add Members. Invite members who need to attend the meeting together. Click Create Consultation, and you can successfully enter the consultation. To enter the remote help, in Teacher and Friend, click the Add Sign or Registered Email in the upper right corner. Select the addition method. Enter the other party's phone number or account ID. Click OK. After adding, wait for the other party to confirm. After the other party agrees, you can see the other person's avatar in the roommate list. If you agree to add friends, enter Remote Help, Teacher and Friend. In the heart of Teacher and Friend, select the corresponding agree or refuse. After you agree, you can see the other person's avatar in the Teacher Friend list. If you want to delete a roommate, select and long press. Select Delete in the pop-up dialog box. How to learn through remote consultation. After entering the consultation, you can click the microphone below to send a voice. The other party will receive a voice message simultaneously. To achieve real-time communication, when one party has connected to the smart stethoscope, click the stethoscope button. The audio information of auscultation can be transmitted. On the consultation interface, each member who joins can hear the audio information in real time. Enter the auscultation teaching. Clinical teaching, select Professor Clinical Teaching. Students can scan the code to enter the classroom. Click Start Teaching. To enter the teaching state, you can click the recording button of the stethoscope. Perform a stethoscopic examination for the patient. The audio will be uploaded in real time and share it with students. Click the End Teaching button. You can end the current teaching and dismiss the classroom. The professor can click on the teaching record section. View all previous teaching records. In the teaching record, the professor can to annotate the audio of the teaching. After marking, you can choose to save it directly. The marked content is saved in place and not publicly available. Save and share. The marked content is saved in place and share it with the students in the class. The students will all be transferred to Save as Material. The audio and the marked content are saved in the personal library as teaching and assessment materials. The professor can give questions to students. Click the upper right corner to create an assessment. You can title it as Material Audio. The professor can assess students in the following 3 ways. For the primary assessment, just fill in the name of the disease. For the intermediate assessment, fill in the corresponding common disease. Requirements, fill in the name of the pathological cause and the corresponding common disease. Advanced assessment, mark the time, domain, location, and the name of the patient. After students finish the assessment, the score is based on the student's answer, consistent with the professor's marking. Enter the auscultation teaching. Clinical teaching. After students enter the classroom, click the scan code icon on the screen. Scan the classroom code and automatically enter the classroom. The stethoscope probe connected to the student will stop working. Only the professor's shared heart and lung sounds are played. The system will save the professor's listening test questions and save it under the post-class assessment function. Students can enter this function, answer the questions according to the professor's assessment requirements. After answering and submitting, the system will automatically calculate the score. The calculation method is the student's answer, the percentage of compliance with the professor's marking. Enter the self-study material library of the stethoscope teaching. Select the material, click the upper right corner. Or long press the material, select material details in the pop-up dialog box. To view the relevant information of the material, you can copy it to your material library. Enter the self-study materials of the School of Auscultation. Click the material you want to learn. Go to the playback page. Click the play button. Play the audio. When playing, it will display the position and name of the pathological sound marked. Meanwhile, we will provide the corresponding common diseases. It will be displayed at the bottom of the screen for your understanding and mastering. After learning, you can long press the material and select Delete. If you want to test your learning results, you can enter the learning assessment. Click the New Assessment on the page. Select the category you want to assess. Select the item you want to. The assessment item. After submission, the system will randomly select 5 to 10 materials from the library for you to answer. After you submit your answers, the system will automatically calculate your score and show you the correct answer marked by the professor. Click on the Personal Center Authentication System. Users are divided into 4 categories: students and VIPs. Ordinary users have relevant rights and interests. Professors and students need to provide relevant materials to apply for identity authentication. After authentication, you can use relevant functions for free. VIP users need to buy it from the platform. You can go to the identity authentication page. Click the button of Right Understanding in upper right corner. To view professor certification, you need to provide student upload photos of your practicing physician certificate. The system will complete the review and certification within 36 hours. You need to provide and upload photos of ID card and student card. The system will complete the review and certification within 72 hours. VIP certification. You need to buy a VIP card for VIP identity authentication. Different prices have different membership durations. Click Personal Center Audio Library, My Collections. There are local storage and cloud storage. 3 options. Local recordings are recordings that are stored in a timely manner. Select the recording you need to listen to. You can replay the recording and view the recording content. There are 3 dots in the upper right corner of each recording. Clicking in will pop up 3 options. Or long press the audio to pop up the options. Select Upload to Cloud Storage to upload the recording to the cloud. In this way, when logging into the current account on any mobile app, you can click on Cloud Storage. You can view this recording. If you click Export Audio, you can share the audio to WeChat, text messages, and other third-party applications that need to be shared. If you click Delete Audio, you can delete this audio.